A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and construction industry. In Patna, one such reputable company that offers land surveying services is Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd. As a land surveyor in Patna, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd utilizes advanced technology and expertise to provide accurate and reliable surveying solutions to their clients. With their extensive knowledge of surveying techniques and equipment, they assist in determining property boundaries, identifying potential risks or challenges, and ensuring compliance with local regulations. The services offered by Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd as a land surveyor in Patna are diverse and cater to various industries. They specialize in topographic surveys, which involve mapping the natural and man-made features of a specific area. This information is crucial for urban planning, infrastructure development, and environmental assessments. By utilizing advanced surveying tools such as GPS and LiDAR scanners, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd ensures precise measurements and detailed mapping. In addition to topographic surveys, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd also provides boundary surveys. This involves determining the exact borders of a property, which is essential for property owners, real estate developers, and legal purposes. By using advanced surveying techniques, including the measurement of angles and distances, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd accurately delineates property lines, preventing any potential disputes or encroachments. Another area of expertise for Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd as a land surveyor in Patna is construction layout surveys. These surveys are conducted before the construction process begins to ensure that the building or infrastructure is aligned correctly with the design plans. By precisely marking the location of foundations, walls, and other structural elements, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd helps contractors and architects avoid costly mistakes during the construction phase. Furthermore, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd offers land division surveys, which involve dividing larger properties into smaller lots or parcels. This service is particularly useful for developers who wish to subdivide land for residential or commercial purposes. By conducting thorough surveys and providing accurate measurements, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd ensures that each lot meets the necessary requirements and adheres to local zoning regulations. In conclusion, as a land surveyor in Patna, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd provides essential surveying services to various industries. With their expertise in topographic